It's 7 a.m. We just arrived in Batangas. This is a town called Sulpok. My mom's a part of their grand reunion, their high school grand reunion. So dalhin yung car? It's my mom's cousin, Tita Angie. This is the village or town where my mom grew up. So let's see if we can check it out today. Show you guys around a little bit. It's about 2 hours away from Manila, so we left at 5 a.m. this morning. They have no more space in the truck, so I guess we are going to take the car. Sakay!
Sakay ka na! Tita Angie! Sakay ka na!
Tatanggalin itong mga gamit. Okay, follow.
Seems like we're leading the parade.
Yes! Mag-una kayo! Sunod kami sa inyo.
It's recording.
Okay! Come on! Ay, tumigil na. Punta ka na kayo lang. Oo, nakaimikot yan. Butang mo.
My mom is part of class of 73. They were the first graduates to graduate from the high school. This is where my mom went to elementary school. She says she can't recognize it at all. It's super different. Except for that tree over there. This is the high school where my mom went.
Ano, sila, pioneering teacher, Miss Birthday. Si Miss Birthday, siya yung unang-unang namin teacher. So, and she has contributed a lot of who I am right now. Fear of God.
We're just waiting for the event to finish. Johan and I are just walking around.
Hi, hello. I hope you enjoyed watching that video. Please subscribe if you want to subscribe. Don't if you don't want to. But no, just click on it. You can check out my other videos on my channel, see if you like them. See you next time.